stars, it's me, Almond Duchess, and I am back with another video. This is my look for Pride Month. It is pink, purple, and blue. As you can see, some of you may or may not know that those colors represent bisexual pride. And I am
Hey guys, as you can see, I already applied my eyebrows off camera and I already applied my eyeshadow base as well. So right now I'm going to go in with my blue eyeshadow on the end of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take my purple eyeshadow on the middle of my lid and blend it as I place it on the eyelid. And now I'm about to go in with my pink eyeshadow, the beginning of my eyelid, and blend it into the purple. Okay, now I'm going to just take this glitter glue and line it across my eyelid. And right now I'm just going to go in with a bunch of silver chunky glitter. Now it's time to add my foundation. You know the drill. I'm going to spray my kabuki brush with my setting spray and press it into the skin to blend it out to give it a flawless look. Now I'm going to take my concealer and highlight underneath of my eye, my nose brim, my forehead, my chin area, and above my lip. You know, the usual. It's time to blend it out with my flat concealer brush, and then sprayed it with my setting spray. Press it into the skin to blend it out to give it a flawless finish. it's time to add our setting powder in the areas where we highlighted. Press it into the skin. We do not bake here. And now I'm going to take my matte liquid lipstick in the shade Eggplant from the Embrace collection and apply it on my lips. Now I'm about to go in with my Black Radiance blush just to add some color to my face. My Angel Quote palette from the Embrace collection to add my highlights on my cheekbones, down my nose brim, my eyebrow bone. You know, the usual, ladies. Let's get it popping. Little sparkle never hurts. Using my Black Radiance bronzer, I'm just going to go in and contour my cheekbones, my forehead area, and my jawline to give it a very little natural contour look. Using a small blending brush, I'm going to take some setting powder and just go underneath of my contour area to give it a sharp look and blend it out. Using the three colors that I applied on my eyelid, the blue, the purple, and the pink, I'm going to take those colors and just line my lower lash line. Using a matte setting spray, I'm just going to set this look so it can stay in place all day.
I want to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby. You know, click the link. And follow me on all of my social media platforms. I will drop that down below in the description bar. There we go. And if you guys want to know the deets on this hair, I will leave that there too. And between you and I, definitely brought this one out of the story. And it's for the win, baby.